Hello out there, Dark Age Camelot community. Another how-to video here. This can be used on most boss fights in most video games. This is not universal on all boss fights. I'm going to show you the strategy I used on Queen Cleodna to get my otherworldly access, to get my ability to craft my buffing potions and my master level alchemy potions. Alright. And I'm going to use Muxog as an example. Now, I am not able to defeat Muxog. He's got some really powerful magic attacks. And that is one thing that my character, even with a lot of resist, she still takes a lot of damage because she's a melee class. Alright. But one of the strategies you can use to make boss fights easier is pulling the ads individually. Now, this is a trial and error. If I walk too far towards Muxog, it's going to pull all of these monsters all at once with him. But if I stand back and use a spell that has a lot of range, basically just like a sniper rifle, I can pick them off one at a time. Now, see that guy in the background casting the healing spell? If you see that, you just got to get him out of range. So just start kiting them backwards. Alright, now, I don't recommend using AoE spells unless you know that the boss is out of range of your AoE spells. Notice I do have a champ level AoE spell. Alright, I am going to use it. Notice I'm only going to use it once though. And I only pulled one of them for some reason, but notice it did not pull Muxog. Now, if I'd have kept casting it while the enemy running towards me was near him, it would have pulled him and all the other ads. Like I said, this is all strategy. Now, the reason I recommend using bolt spells typically have more range than what other direct damage spells and damage over time spells have. Okay, so now I got one side down. Now that you've got the concept in view, let me show you what happens if you use an AoE spell to pull all three of these at the same time with Muxog nearby. Oh wow, it didn't pull him. I'm surprised. They're usually close enough to pull him. Oh, getting a little bit of lag. Now, in case anybody's wondering how I got my Muxog shield, somebody did actually get one on their consignment merchant a while back, and it was only 3 platinum, so I went ahead and picked it up. Alright, like I said, I've tried soloing Muxog a couple times. I already know I can't do it without a little bit more magic resistance and a little bit different template. If I can do it, it's going to take a little bit of work. There it goes. Now it pulled Mucksog. I knew one of them would pull him. And see, if you pull him, it'll pull all the ads. Now, this isn't going to end well for me, but I just wanted to show you that. So you got an idea that this is definitely a trial and error for me. I'll see if I can get, oh, there it is. Oh, well, it's going to be, I'll have to wait till he defeats me first, then go back through the combat text, see if he shoots that little blade at me. And see, if you start damaging them, they'll start casting heal spells on each other too. That just makes everything tougher. But let me show you what you're up against. Alright? Those are some of Mucksog's physical attacks. Alright? I'm going to see if he's got one of his magic attacks where he shoots that little blade at you. Because that hits really hard, and that's, I think, essence damage because there's no resists on it. Alright, I'm not seeing it. I may have to get another video to show all the different attacks that Mucksog can use. He does have a magical attack that he uses. Oh, wait, there it is. Yeah, he's got an essence attack that hits really hard. It's a little blade he shoots at you. And the only reason I only took 300 damage is because I had a ablative up. But these are some strategies you can use when fighting bosses to make the boss fights easier. Alright, this works with groups or solo. I think I'm going to go get some lunch, but stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to show you how to solo the Curse Prologue in Midgard, because it's actually the easiest of the three, as I think the Albion one's actually the hardest one to solo. Take care, have fun, guys.